Hello students, in this video we are going to see one interesting example exercise question which is given in your textbook. This is the second question in exercise 7.4. Water is flowing at the rate of 15 km per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a rectangular tank which is 50 meter long and 44 meter wide. Find the time. So, in this question we have to find the time in which the level of water in the tank will rise by 21 centimeter. So, in this question they have used different units here, kilometer per hour. Then the diameter of a pipe is 14, that is in centimeter. Then the tank 50 meter, 44 meter. So, kilometer, centimeter, meter, then again the water level rise by 21 centimeter. So, first of all we have to change the units. So, there is a pipe, from the pipe water is flowing, the speed of the water, it is given 15 kilometer per hour. Okay. Then the diameter of the pipe is 14 centimeter. So then what about the radius? Radius is half of the diameter, so 7 centimeter. So this water is flowing into a rectangular tank The height of the water level will be 21 centimeter and the length of the tank is 50 meter and the wide, which means breadth of a tank, is 44 meter. So we have to change all this unit into a same unit. So 21 centimeter can be written as 21 by 100 meter. When we convert the centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. This is already in meter, so meter, here meter, but it is in kilometer. So 15 kilometer per hour is 15,000 meter per hour, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 15 kilometer is 15,000 meter. Then here radius is 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to 7 centimeter can be written as 7 by 100 meter. So, here 21 centimeter, 21 by 100 meter, 7 centimeter, 7 by 100 meter. So, all the units are meter, 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 and now all the units are same. Now, we have to find the time to rise the water level 21 centimeter. So the here volume of water discharged from the pipe will be equal to volume of the water in the tank. Definitely the amount of the volume of water discharged from the pipe will be stored in the tank. So the water discharged will store in the tank. So this volume will be equal to the volume of water in the tank. So volume of water discharged is based on the cross section of the pipe, then speed of the water, then the duration, time. So cross section area of pipe into speed into time is equal to volume of water in the tank is in the shape of cuboid, so L into B into H, length into breadth into volume of a cuboid, L into B into H. So this is the formula to calculate the volume of water discharged through a cylindrical pipe. So cross section area of the pipe, then the speed of the water, then how long it's flowing, the time. Cross section area, the cross section area will be like a circle, so that area is pi r square. Speed 15,000 meter per hour into time, we have to find the time, that we have to find. Length of the tank 50, breadth of the tank 44, height of the tank 21 by 100, all the units are in meter. Now we have to find the time, so pi value 22 by 7 into r is equal to 7 by 100, so 7 by 100 into 7 by 100 because of r square. Here we are writing 2 times, r into r into this 15,000 into t is equal to 50 into 44 into 21 by 100. Now t is equal to 50 into 44 into 21 into this 7 into 100 into 100 by 22 into 7 into 7 into 15,000. Just we are simplifying into this 100. So all the numbers 50, 44, 21, then the number which are in the denominator becomes the numerator. இங்கிட்டு கொண்டு வரும்போது மேலே போயிடும். So 700, 100. Then the numbers below this 100 is here. Then all the numbers in the numerator becomes the denominator. 22, 7, 7, 15,000. Oh, now we have to just simplify. We have to cancel and we have to simplify. See 2 0. This 2 0 will be cancelled. Then 1 2 1 2, this 2 0. Then anything else is there? This 0 we can by cancel. Then 122 is 22, 2 22s are 44. Then anything else? 7 can be cancelled. Then 1 3 is 3, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15. So then 1 7 is 7, 3 7s are 21. This 3 will be cancelled. So see, all the numbers are cancelled, only in the numerator 2 is there. 2 here 15 meter per hour, so the time is 2 hours. See, very simple question. So in some of the question they will not ask time, they will find the volume of, they will ask the volume of the water discharged. So what you have to do, volume of the water discharged from the tank or from the pipe, through the pipe, the formula is cross section area of the pipe, speed, time. ஸோ எவ்வளோ தண்ணி வெளியேறுதுன்றதை கால்குலேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு அந்த பைப்பு எவ்வளோ பெருசாக இருக்குது அது முக்கியம். இஃப் இட் இஸ் ஸ்மாலர் it will discharge very less amount of water. If it is bigger, the big amount of volume water it will discharge. So that then cross section area is important. Then speed, if the speed of the water, see ஒரு டேங்க் இப்படி இருக்குன்னா, see ஒரு டேங்க் இப்படி இருக்குன்னா இங்கே the same அளவில் குழா இங்கே ஒன்று இருக்குது, 2 taps are here. எதில் ஸ்பீடு வாட்டர் அதிகமாக வரும்? இதில் தான் வரும். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த கிராவிட்டி வாட்டர் லெவல் இப்படி இருக்குன்னா இது மேலே இருக்கனால இதில் கம்மியான வாட்டர் வரும், இதில் அதிகம் வரும். ஏன்னா இது பாட்டம். ஸோ இட் டியூ டு த கிராவிட்டி much force will be higher than the topper pipe. இந்த பைப்பை காட்டிலும் இதில் ஃபோர்ஸ் கூடுதலாக இருக்கும், அப்போ இதில் கூடுதல் வரும். ஸோ ஸ்பீடு கிராஸ் செக்ஷன் ஏரியா சேமாக இருந்தாலும் ஸ்பீடு என்ன செய்யும், ஸ்பீட் கேன் டிட்டர்மைன் த amount of water discharged. So cross section area, then speed. cross section area சேமாக இருக்குது, ஸ்பீடும் சேமாக இருக்குது. இது 1 மணி நேரம் ஓப்பன் பண்ணி விட்ருக்கோம், இந்த பைப்பை 1 hour ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், இதை வந்து 5 hours ஓப்பன் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இதில் அதிகம் தண்ணி வந்திருக்கும், இதில் தான், ஏன்னா இது 5 hours ஓப்பனாகவே இருக்குது. ஸோ டைம் இஸ் ஆல்சோ இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ தீஸ் 3 things are determine the water discharged from the pipe, from the tank through the pipe. So we are multiplying these 3 to find the amount of water discharged. So the amount of water discharged is cross section area of the pipe into speed into time. So this is the very simple concept. இங்கே டைம் கேட்டிருக்கனால நம்ம டைம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். in some other question find the volume of water discharged அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருந்தாங்கன்னா just you write this formula and write this data 3 into, then substitute the value, then find the answer. Definitely you will get good marks. Okay, I hope you are all clear. So this is the second question in exercise 7.4, very simple question.